Log cabin kits offer a simple way to build your dream home. Let's explore what makes them popular among aspiring builders and nature lovers alike. These kits combine cost-effectiveness and speed, providing an eco-friendly alternative to traditional house construction without sacrificing quality or style. There are various types of log cabin kits available: traditional style, pre-engineered kits, and modular designs tailored for every preference and need. Understanding your needs is essential. Consider factors such as size, style, and budget as you embark on this exciting journey of construction. Identify your desired features. Do you want multiple rooms, bathrooms, or special amenities like a charming fireplace or an inviting porch? Exploring financing options is vital for your log cabin project. Securing a budget ensures your dream home stays within reach without financial strain. Top brands offer beginner-friendly log cabin kits, making the building process enjoyable and straightforward for first-time builders. Let's highlight some favorites. First up, Brand A's kit stands out for its pre-cut logs and easy-to-follow instructions, perfect for efficient assembly in any season. Brand B offers superior customer support, ensuring that even the most novice builders feel confident every step of the way. Finally, Brand C brings innovative design and quality materials to the table, making their kits highly desirable for environmentally conscious builders. Building your dream log cabin involves essential steps, beginning with proper site preparation to ensure a solid foundation for years to come. Next, constructing a strong foundation is crucial as it supports the entire cabin structure, providing durability and stability in varying weather conditions. Assembling the log walls comes next, a rewarding step where logs fit together snugly, creating the cozy embrace that log cabins are known for. For first-time builders, tips like using proper tools and following safety precautions make a significant difference in your construction experience. Possible challenges include dealing with inclement weather or navigating tricky logistics. Addressing these ahead of time ensures a smoother building process. Recapping the benefits of log cabin kits, we highlight their ease of construction, making them an excellent choice for beginners eager to create their retreat. Additionally, further resources can help guide builders, including reputable building guides, online forums, and dedicated log cabin communities eager to assist. Sharing experiences is invaluable. It allows aspiring builders to learn from each other, fostering a sense of community around log cabin construction. From selecting ideas to laying the foundation, each step in building a log cabin kit is an adventure, enjoying nature closer than ever before. Take the plunge and make your log cabin dreams a reality, as this journey not only creates a home, but connections to nature and community. With so many options available, your journey toward the perfect log cabin begins with understanding your unique vision and personal style. Emphasizing the allure of log cabins, their rustic beauty becomes an integral part of the landscape, blending seamlessly into the natural surroundings. Are you enticed by the idea of customization? Many kits allow for personal modifications, ensuring your cabin reflects your unique tastes and needs. Imagine sitting by the fireplace in your finished cabin, sharing stories and creating memories with friends and family in your tranquil escape. Energy efficiency is another benefit. Log cabins naturally regulate temperature, keeping homes warm in winter and cool in summer, reducing energy costs. Consider seasonal living. Log cabins serve as serene retreats year-round, creating a peaceful haven for relaxation, reflection, and adventure in nature. Evaluate different regions. Local climate and terrain can influence your design choices for a log cabin kit, ensuring durability and comfort. The joy of constructing a log cabin kit stems from hands-on experiences, learning new skills, and gaining confidence throughout the building process. It's essential to align your log cabin project with local building codes and regulations, ensuring a seamless construction experience from the start. As your kit arrives, excitement builds. Unboxing your log cabin materials reveals the promise of transformation awaiting in your designated space. Every log has a story. Each handcrafted element adds character and warmth, ensuring authenticity is preserved throughout the building experience. As walls rise, visualize the joy of a community cheering you on, with supportive neighbors witnessing the birth of your log cabin dream. Imagine the future. Your log cabin becomes a backdrop for celebrations, cozy gatherings, and treasured moments with loved ones in a serene environment. Your options expand as you consider choosing eco-conscious products for interior finishes, ensuring your log cabin remains sustainable and stylish. Design priorities guide your choices. Whether embracing a rustic vibe or opting for modern elements, each decision shapes your log cabin's personality. Consider accessibility. Incorporating designs that ensure comfort for all occupants, regardless of age or mobility, enhances your log cabin's inclusiveness. Crafting an outdoor space complements your log cabin, fostering connections with nature through gardens, patios, and lively outdoor activities. Lighting plays a vital role. Choosing natural light sources and intentional fixtures sets the mood, enhancing the ambiance within your log cabin. Don't forget the landscape. Thoughtfully planned surroundings harmonize with your cabin, making it feel like a true extension of nature's beauty. Your log cabin journey is just beginning. Embrace the adventure, enjoy the process, and take pride in creating a home filled with love and memories.